The location is Brazil. This auditorium is at the headquarters of Fiergas, a manufacturers' federation in Porto Alegre, serving a large area in southern Brazil. Let's look first at the subdivision of the stair-step seating area underneath the balcony. A series of Hufcor operable wall panels ranging in height from 5.3 meters at the bottom to 3 meters at the top close off this seating area. Here we see the panels being brought from remote storage through the 90-degree turn to their location, dividing the seating sections. Because the bottoms of the rear panels are about 2.5 meters up in the air, movement to and from the storage area has to be accomplished by a pull cable attached to each panel. Note the way the panels turn the corner and move into final position. Hufcor's Type 11 track system is key to this easy movement through the 90-degree angle. As each panel is set in place, an operator sets the mechanical top and bottom seals with their removable handle. Hufcor's Quick Set seal system means there is no cranking, just one quick movement of the panel setting handle. The final panel in the stair-step operable wall has a hinged flipper to close it against the panels at the front of the seating area. A special removable section is added to bridge each gap in the parapet created by the aisles between the seats. You can see the parapet being put in place. With one half of the space under the balcony now closed off, the panels are now coming out of the storage area to finish closing the entire area under the balcony. Final closure is accomplished with the flipper panel, which is sealed with a half turn of the removable handle against the front panel. On the opposite side, we see the extension seal closing against the panel to create a tight seal. Let's look now at the upper balcony, where panels are being brought out to partition the balcony from the main auditorium. This run of panels closes the space from the track to the balcony floor. It leaves open space in the middle of the balcony so that the projection equipment can be used for an audience in the lower, large front section when the upper balcony sections are closed off into separate conference areas. The cross runs of panels are set in place first, to be followed by the stair-step panels. The gap for the projection equipment is right in front of us here. Now the entire rear section of the auditorium, above and below the balcony, is closed off, except for the stair-step panels in the upper balcony. The panel height range of these stair-step panels is from 4 meters to 7 meters. Moving the shorter panels at the rear is accomplished by workers on a catwalk overhead, who move the panels into place so that the operator below can set the mechanical top and bottom seals. The rise in the upper balcony is steeper than in the lower section. The steps are actually double height, equal to 2 stair steps. To prevent the audience from using the double height steps, a pipe barrier is built at each level. The audience enters and leaves on conventional steps at the opposite end from the operable walls. Note the detail showing the panel seal, both horizontal and vertical, and the pipe barriers to prevent people from using the double steps. Each panel seals tightly, both against the back of the step and the floor of the step. This is Hufcor's 6700 with 100 millimeters of floor seal clearance. Here we see the storage area. The panels glide easily through Hufcor's Type 11 track system to store in the remote storage closet. Each panel is indexed to travel into the correct storage stack. A single operator can easily move each panel. Hufcor's Type 11 system makes panel movement rapid and easy both in to storage and out of storage. The Fiergus Auditorium shows how operable walls with an easy movement track system can be quickly converted from one big facility to 5 smaller meeting areas